G'day everybody, Patrol Gaming, and welcome back to another reaction video. This is not an episode in the special Guitar Week special. This is a bonus track. So this is Stevie Ray Vaughan in the Secret Soundcheck #2. So we've done the first one a couple of days ago. This one has just been released, so I thought I'd throw it in for our Guitar Week special. Sounded New Zealander there for a moment. I don't know what happened there. Special as a bonus track. So let's jump in. It's only a couple of minutes long, but it's Stevie Ray. Stevie Ray is definitely coming in the episodes, so stick around for that one too. So let's jump in and listen to our friend Stevie Ray in the Secret Soundcheck #2. I don't know what's going to be in it, so we'll just watch it anyway. It's nice to see him kind of getting ready.
See, I've got something that usually gets rid of the buzz in here, but as you can see, it's in here.
Oh, so talking about the buzz on the guitar, man, you can really hear it. Wow.
This RF is never going to get into today. And somehow I'm building up static electricity.
It's so different with that hat on. I just still can't get over it.
I think it's probably just the solo section, which is a good long one anyway.
Okay.
16 bars.
So hopefully we'll get a part 3 of that and we'll continue on that little story. When he's standing in that booth listening to that playback, I wonder what's going through his head. I wonder if he's thinking, missed that note, or that note could have been a little bit better or a little bit cleaner there, or, you know, I wonder what he's thinking. These little insights into a genius at work, it's always interesting. It's always interesting to see the process they go through to kind of get themselves ready, get their equipment ready, get the people that work with them around them ready as well and on the same page. It's fascinating. Fascinating. I find it fascinating anyway. So, yeah, just when he's sitting there, no real emotion, but he's obviously taken everything in. And I loved how he's just so relaxed, no hat on, the leisure suit, you know, the same color shoes, the boots on. Man, that was great. That was great. Thank you, whoever uploaded those. Big thumbs up, man. Big thumbs up. We love that insight into Stevie Ray Vaughan. So hopefully you'll stick around for the rest of the Guitar Week special. Stevie Ray is definitely coming up in the next... I'm not going to tell you when it is. You'll have to watch it. So hopefully you'll check us out for the next episodes. Remember, put in the comments if you want a reaction to it. If you've got a favorite guitarist, they might come up in a reaction. Who knows? Who knows? Put them all on the list. And then we'll just go from there. So hopefully you'll join me in the next episode for episode number 4. This was just a little side trick, a little side treat, for Guitar Week, and hopefully you enjoyed it. So hopefully you'll give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that little bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming special reactions. And hopefully I'll see you in the next reaction video.